Cats spilling water from their water bowl is experienced by many of the pet parents. Strange it may sound, but there are many reasons why your cat gets involved in such an odd behavior. In some cases, they remove the water from their bowls with the help of their paws, while in other, they just flip over the whole water bowl. In either case, it's a mess which no pet parent likes. But worry not, this behavior can be corrected with your patience and some easy tips. Let's first understand why do cats practice this water spilling behavior. This behavior is a part of their natural instincts where they prefer to take their food and water to a safe place free from any sort of danger. It is also believed that cats love the reflective surface of water. Besides, the way it splashes when they paw at it gives them an extra incentive to repeat this behavior. Some experts believe that cats prefer moving water over still and standing water that has been kept there for hours and sometimes days. And that is why many cats splash water before drinking to create the same moving water effect. This is also the exact reason why cats prefer drinking from a running tap or a fountain. One of the other reasons that your cat might be spilling water all over the place is to safeguard her whiskers. Cats generally don't prefer narrow and deep bowls because when they try to drink water from it, their whiskers rub against the sides of the water bowl. If your cat's bowl is narrow and deep, she might be spilling water so that she can drink it from the ground without hurting her whiskers. Lower water level in the bowl is another reason for this behavior. Before being domesticated as pets, cats used to live in the wild, where they always have to keep an eye on the surroundings to safeguard themselves against predators. Though we have adopted them as pets, but still many of their behavior traits resemble with cats living in the wild. In case the water level is too deep, the cat might not prefer dipping her head to such depths, as then she won't be able to keep an eye on the surroundings. And that is why many cats spill water on the known surface or ground to drink it from there. She might be spilling water to force you to refill her water bowl with fresh water every day. Cats generally prefer to drink fresh water, so in case she has to drink dirty and stale water, she might use it as a trick to get access to fresh water supply. Now let us look at the possible ways to keep a check on this water spilling behavior of your cat. In case the bowl is narrow and deep, switch to a shallow bowl with a bigger radius. It will no longer hurt her whiskers as she will get sufficient space while drinking from the bowl. Opting for a heavier bowl made out of glass or ceramic will make it nearly impossible for your cat to flip it over. Even if a bowl is almost full, make sure to change the water in her bowl at least once every day if not twice. First, this will satisfy her urge to drink fresh and clean water. And second, you will get to know about her water intake on a daily basis. This in turn will help you to easily identify any underlying issue your cat is facing. Your cat shouldn't be required to stoop very low to access the water. Always make sure that your cat has easy access to the water in the bowl. Recirculating water fountains, which are readily available in the market, are also a very good option for cats. As cats enjoy drinking running water, these water fountains are worth a try. Cats don't have much options to entertain themselves. So if your cat is not getting the right amount of play, splashing and spilling water can seem to be an exciting activity for her. Stimulate your cat both physically and mentally by playing with her and getting her sufficient exercise on a daily basis.